Welcome to Awesome Learning. Let us start learning Hindi consonants, the VARG, the family. How to write the? Start with a sleeping line and bring it downwards. Connected to that, draw a standing line and finish it with a sleeping line. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter T. Tarbooj, watermelon. Tabla, takiya, pillow. How to write th? Begin with a small loop and pull it to the right as shown. Connected to that, draw a standing line and finally draw a sleeping line only on the top of the standing line. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter th. Thermometer. Thermos, flask. Thali, plate. Thaila, bag. How to write the? Draw a small standing line and connected to that, draw a semicircle and make a small loop and pull it downwards. Finally, draw a sleeping line on the top. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter G. Darwaza, door. Dastane, gloves. Dawa, medicine. How to write the? Begin with a small loop and continue to draw a big semicircle. Connected to that, draw a standing line. Finally, draw a small sleeping line only on top of the standing line. Now, let us learn some words starting with the letter Dh. Dharti, earth. Dhaniya, coriander. Dhanush, bow. how to write N. Begin with a loop and continue drawing to make a sleeping line. Then draw a standing line and finally draw a sleeping line on the top. Now let us learn some words starting with the letter N. Naak, nose. Namak, salt. Nal, tap. Thank you for learning with us. Please like, share our videos, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications.